May 22, 2025, Anthropic announced the launch of its next-generation AI models, Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4, setting a new standard in AI performance across coding, reasoning, and agentic workflows. Claude Opus 4 is now the world's most advanced coding model, built for sustained performance across complex, long-duration tasks and workflows involving AI agents. Claude Sonnet 4, a major leap from Sonnet 3.7, offers superior instruction following, precise reasoning, and state-of-the-art results in software engineering benchmarks. Alongside the model launches, Anthropic is rolling out a suite of new capabilities designed to push the boundaries of virtual collaboration. Extended thinking and tool use. Claude Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 can now alternate between reasoning and real-time tool use, such as web search, during complex thought processes. This extended thinking enables deeper, more accurate responses. The models can also use tools in parallel and leverage local files to develop memory and context over time. Claude Code, now generally available. Following a successful research preview, Claude Code is now broadly available with full support for GitHub Actions and native extensions for VS Code and JetBrains. Developers can now collaborate with Claude directly in their editors, see code edits inline, and run tasks in the background via the Claude Code SDK. In GitHub Beta, Claude Code can respond to PR comments, fix CI issues, and adapt to reviewer feedback with a simple tag, streamlining the development lifecycle. Enhanced API capabilities. Anthropic is also introducing 4 new tools through its API. Code Execution Tool, MCP Connector, Files API, Prompt Caching, up to 1 hour. These updates give developers more power and flexibility to build intelligent, responsive agents. Model access and pricing. Both Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 support 2 usage modes: near-instant responses for standard tasks and extended thinking for deep reasoning. The models are available via Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Pricing remains consistent. Claude Opus 4, $15 input / $75 output per million tokens. Claude Sonnet 4, $3 input / $15 output per million tokens. Sonnet 4 is included for free users, while both models are available to Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise users. Claude 4, raising the bar in software engineering. With top scores on key coding benchmarks, SWE-bench, Opus, 72.5%, Sonnet, 72.7%, and Terminal Bench, Opus, 43.2%. Claude 4 models are outperforming industry leaders. Memory, summarization, and safety improvements. Both Claude 4 models have improved memory capabilities, especially when given access to local files. In extended agentic tasks, Claude Opus 4 can create and maintain persistent memory files, improving coherence and long-term task handling. In one example, it independently constructed a navigation guide while playing Pokémon Red, showing its ability to retain and reference information over hours of play. In addition, Claude 4 introduces thinking summaries, using smaller models to condense complex reasoning. For advanced users, Developer Mode offers full access to unfiltered thought chains for prompt engineering. Safety has also improved. Claude 4 models are 65% less likely to exploit shortcuts or loopholes compared to Sonnet 3.7, even on tasks that are particularly vulnerable to such behavior. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.